How to get Telegram profile link. If any day any of you are a Telegram user and you would like to get a Telegram profile link, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Telegram application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device, search Telegram out there. After you find the very Telegram application, you have to tap on that. Now, after you tap on the Telegram application, you can see that Telegram will be launched on your mobile device. Now you can go to the three lines on the top, and after you go to the three lines on the top, you can tap on your very profile section. After you tap on your very profile section, you can go to the three lines on the top, or you can also go to the QR section, and after that you can see your very QR code, and you can go to the option of share the QR code, and from here you can share the very QR code to any of the person that you would like, which is your Telegram link as well. You can go to the option of more, and you can also send it and share it to any of the person or any of your friends through the help of any of the application that you want. So this is the way on how you could share your QR code, that is your link. You can also customize it to the various kind of versions that you would like. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.